Hangover again?
I'll go. Stop pulling. Can you just hold on? We got Alan's left. Yeah. There we go.
Gentlemen, we've got some good news and we've got some bad news. The good news is we found your Mercedes.
That's great news.
That's great. Yeah, it's over at impound right now. We picked it up at 5 a.m. this morning, parked in the middle of Las Vegas Boulevard.
Huh.
Yeah, that is weird. There's also a note. It says, couldn't find a meter, but here's $4. The bad news is we can't get you in front of a judge until Monday morning.
Oh, no, officer, that's just impossible. No, we need to be in L.A. tomorrow for a wedding.
You stole a police car.
We didn't steal anything. We found it.
Yeah, if anything, we deserve a reward or something for the trophy.
I see assholes like you every day.
Every fucking day.
Let's go to Vegas. We'll all get drunk and
Yeah.
Let's steal a cop car because it'd be really fucking funny.
Yeah. Think you gonna get away with it? Not up in here.
Not up in here.
Sir, if I may, I'm assuming that squad car belongs to one of you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, I'm not a cop. I'm no hero. I'm a school teacher. But if one of my kids went missing on a field trip, that would look really bad on me.
What are you getting at?
Yeah, Phil, what are you getting at?
No one wants to look bad. We got to get to a wedding, and you guys don't need people talking about how some obnoxious tourists borrowed your squad car last night. But look, the point is, I think we can work out a deal discreetly, of course, man. What do you say?
Let me ask you a question. Do any of you gentlemen have a heart condition or anything like that?
No.
Okay, kids, you're in for a little treat today. These gentlemen have kindly volunteered to demonstrate how a stun gun is used to subdue a suspect. That's right.
Wait a second, what?
Now, there's two ways to use a stun gun. Up close and personal. Or you can shoot it from a distance. Now, do I have any volunteers who want to come up here and do some shooting, huh? All right, how about you, young lady? Come on up here. All right, let's go, Hanson. Come on. Not you, fat Jesus. Slide it on back. You, pretty boy. All right, now it's real simple. All you gotta do is point, aim, and shoot. All right?
I think you don't really want to do this.
You can do this. Just focus.
Don't listen to this maniac. Let's think this thing through.
Finish him!
Right in the nuts. That was beautiful.
Well done. Give her a hand, everybody. All right. Yeah. Good job. Well done. Good job. That was good. Good. Hey, we got one more charge left. Anybody want to do some shooting up here? How about you, big man? Come on up here.
Fat Jesus. What's this fat little kid?
Okay, same instructions. Just point, aim, and shoot. There you go. That's the stuff. I like the intensity. Eye of the tiger. Good. You're holding 50,000 volts, little man. Don't be afraid to ride the lightning.
In the face! In the face!
Oh, he's still out! He's still out! All right, everybody relax. Take it easy. We've seen it before. He just needs a little extra. There we go. Some of these big boys, you got to give them 2 shots.